Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use ChatGPT to improve writing. Using ChatGPT to improve your writing is easy and highly effective. Use a step-by-step guide to get the most out of it. Open your browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Log into your account. Now, prepare your writing. Write your text or draft in a word processor. For example, Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or Notepad. Copy the section or entire piece of text you want to improve. Then, paste your text into the ChatGPT input box. Add a specific instruction to guide the improvement process, such as grammar and spelling. Check this text for grammar and spelling errors. Tone and style. Make this text more formal, informal, professional, or engaging. Clarity and flow. Rewrite this text to improve clarity and logical flow. Content enhancement. Add more details or examples to this text. Now, how about we provide context? Include any context or goals of your writing. This is an email to a client. Or this is a cover letter for a job application. And this is part of a story I'm writing. Now, let's review and refine. Read the suggestions or a written version provided by ChatGPT. If necessary, ask for further refinements. For example, can you simplify this text further? Make this text sound more persuasive. Add more compelling conclusion. Now, once you provided your suggestions, you can hit enter or click this button. Copy the improved text by clicking this copy. Paste it back onto your document editor and format it as needed. Then, review it one last time to ensure it meets your standards. By leveraging ChatGPT effectively, you can polish your writing, enhance clarity, and ensure your content aligns with your intended tone and purpose. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.